Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Analytics tracking code to your HTML website. Let's come to the computer screen. We will have to do this task in two steps. At first step, we will get the Google Analytics code, and in the second step, we will put this code in our website code. So I'm going to do the first step. You have to type here analytics.google.com. Here is the Google Analytics dashboard. You have to go to the property, your account. Here is my account, and I'm going to click this property. And here is, you can view the data. Here is the dashboard of Google Analytics, and you have to go to admin. And here admin, you have to go to the specific account, and then you have to go to the specific property, and in property you will find the option of tracking info. Click this and click this tracking code. Here is your code. You have to select it and right click and copy. Now in second step, you have to put this analytic code in your website. So here is my website, and for testing purpose, I have created a simple website code, HTML code here. So you have to click the HTML code. Here is the code of my index page or home page. You have to go in the head section of your code, and here is the starting of head tag, and here is the end of head tag. You have to insert or paste your code here in head section. Then you should save this, and when you will open your website or you will upload your website, this property will automatically configured, and you will be able to track your website traffic information. Let me show you how it looks like. Here, let me go to my account this, and here you can see the data. You can see data will be here, user, session. So this is a way how to connect your Google Analytics to your website. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.